Hi, I'm Ted Spaulding, the founder of Spaulding Injury Law, and wanted to do this video to discuss a particular type of car accident claim, and that is a car accident that occurs on private property. And how is that different from your ordinary car accident claim? So we get a lot of phone calls with regard to these types of accidents. We've taken on a number of these types of cases, and that is injuries from a car wreck on private property. There's really not a huge difference, and I want that to be fully understood by everyone. You want to treat it just like any other car accident, mainly that you want to call the police. You want the police to come out, you want them to investigate, get a statement from the other party, have them determine who's at fault. Now understand, they're not going to give any tickets, so sometimes they won't even make an opinion about who's at fault, but they'll at least get down all of the information, do a diagram of what the witnesses say happened, and then that can be used as evidence as to who is at fault. Now the reason they won't sometimes do that is because when it's on private property, they can't charge anyone with a violation of the rules of the road in Georgia. It has to be on a public highway. So that's the one big difference between a private property accident and one out on the roads in the state of Georgia. The other difference is oftentimes these wrecks are occurring on private property in either strip malls or other private property areas where there are businesses that may have security cameras. So we find in most of our cases there is going to be a security camera pointing out into the parking lot area that will find the accident, and therefore we got great evidence of what happened because it's right there on video. You got to know that because you want to be able to get a request out for that video footage to be preserved very, very quickly. And we're talking 30 days or less after the wreck, because a lot of these big businesses, your Home Depots, your Walmarts, all of those, they're going to destroy that video. It's probably on a loop, and they'll destroy it at least every 30 days. So you want to make sure you get with a lawyer and get them to get those requests out very, very quickly. It is great evidence of what happened, obviously. So those are the two biggest differences. Otherwise, again, you want to treat a private property car accident no different than if you're out on the highways in Georgia. Someone's at fault, and that determination needs to be made. Make sure you call the police, okay? Don't let anyone convince you that, well, it's on private property, so there's no point in calling the police. It's not true. They'll still come out. They'll still do the investigation. They just won't cite anyone. So again, there's your answer as to the difference between a private property car accident and your everyday car accident out on the roads, public roads there in Georgia. I hope this helps answer some questions if you or a friend have been involved in a wreck on private property. If you have any questions or concerns, want to talk about your claim or case with us, please give us a call or fill out our contact information on our website, and we'd be happy to speak with you. Thanks so much for watching this video.